Hello Sky. So today I'm going to draw a rabbit with a carrot with the number. So in this video I will use the number 3 for 3 times. Okay. So I will using number 3. Okay. More. Okay. So I'm going to use these 3 number into a cute rabbit. Okay, so first start using the number 3 on the ear of the rabbit. Okay, okay, number 3 and one more number 3. We draw with a big number, so just start a bit curve like that. Okay, let us stop and then continue, and then a big curve. Okay, so you can see we have 2 number ready. So this one number 3 and this is a big number 3 and one more number 3. So we start here at the back of the rabbit. So just a bit curve. Okay. We need to draw a big tail of the rabbit. Okay, one more, and then curve connect to the back. Okay, so number 3. So this one and this. Okay, okay. So the next step, we draw a little bit curve. Okay, start from the ear like that. Okay, and then we connect to the carrot. That we start a little bit angle like this. Okay, and then we go down along down. Move along down. Okay, we are going to draw it a little bit curve. Okay, and then more curve, and then move down along down here. Okay, and then at the bottom, maybe here, the bottom of the carrot. Okay, and then we draw the hand of the rabbit, so a little curve. Okay, like this. Okay, and something like finger. This one more. Okay, and then we need to draw the leg of the rabbit. So we start from here, okay, yeah, curve down, and then now we curve down more, and the level should be here, so just stay here. Okay, and a little curve. This 2. Okay, the same side, and we can draw the body, the bell of the rabbit. It look like 2 fat bell. Okay, and then we draw the eye. So start from the center here. Okay, we start with the oval like this, and using the same side. The other side is the same. So here. And then we paint with black, shade with black, and another one also shade with black as well. Okay. And then we start with nose, sheet nose. Okay, the triangle nose here, and up, and we shade the black. Then we're drawing the curve here, so start curve up, and one more it's the same side, so we start from here as well. Okay, we add more side. Okay, and then we draw his teeth. Okay, so go down and the same side here, a little bit curve, and the middle, moving from the middle of nose, okay, and to the well here. So we move here. Okay, and then we start to draw the green one here, the top of the card. So we start from here and move like this, move down, move to the right side, and move down a little curve. And this one we can put the different side, so we put a little short than this, so like this, and move down, and then we put the little curve in the middle. Okay, and then like this, and this one is long, short, short, long, short, short.